How to create account in Rainbow Six Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Are you trying to create a Rainbow Six Mobile account? If you are, then here's how you do it. First of all, open your Rainbow Six Mobile game. You can play the game as a guest or create a Ubisoft account to save your progress and unlock full feature. Once you're inside the game, this is my guest account I've been playing with. So I'm now gonna create a new account. So in order to do that, from the lobby screen of your game, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear icon. Once you're inside the settings menu, scroll down from the left hand side menu and click on account and legal. After you open up this account and legal section, tap on link account on the right corner and then you'll see these options. Click on create an account at the bottom and now you'll need to create your Ubisoft account. Go ahead and enter your email address you want to sign up with. After typing down an email, go to the next field where it says password and enter password for your account. Make sure to follow the password rules that has been displayed at the bottom. After creating a password that matches the criteria, go ahead and enter your age on the next field. Finally, accept the terms and conditions of Ubisoft and the privacy policy by checking on these boxes. If you want to receive exclusive email newsletter content with offers and information as well, you can also check this last box. And finally, click on Create Account. Now, you need to go ahead and open up your email service provider's inbox for verifying. After you open it up, you'll receive an email from Ubisoft Account Updates. Go ahead and type in the code that was emailed to you inside your inbox. Finally, click on Create Account. Right after you do that, your account has been successfully created and linked. You'll also receive a reward. Go ahead and check your inbox in the game for the rewards. Click on the mail icon at the top right corner and you'll receive the reward for linking an account. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.